Hello bunnies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always coming back, and as you lot know, I do videos on weight loss ideas and all that. So this video today is about a meal that you can make, an ideal meal that you can make to lose weight and maintain your weight. So in this video I've made my own prawn vegetable soup that I usually eat. It's as delicious as you're ordering a Chinese fried rice, skin prawn, whatever, like you're ordering a takeaway. This is a Niger style meal I made in my own style, so you guys should watch this video and enjoy it, and you can learn on how to make your own vegetable prawn soup at home. So I'm just going to show you guys on how I made this vegetable soup. This is a low in calorie, low in carb soup I do for weight loss. I do to maintain your weight. You don't have to add carb if you are trying to go on a low carb diet meal. This is an ideal meal that would benefit you, and it's got the right nutrients in it as well. So in this video, as you can see, I've got my ingredients. I've got my ginger, garlic, coconut oil. I've got bell peppers, green, yellow bell peppers. I've got sweet corn, and I've also got broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, and those are my prawns, frozen prawns. You can use any type of prawns if you want. Here, there you can see the salt, and I've got kale, vegetable kale, and that's it. So I'm going to start cooking this delicious meal, guys. First, guys, I'm going to add my coconut oil on the pot, and then I'm pouring my onions. I like to stir fry my onions because it gives my food aroma, it gives my cooking some nice smell. So I'm usually doing this in my cooking. So I'm adding that, and next I'm going to chop my bell peppers. I use bell pepper and also small pepper as well. I'm just going to coat them all together, and I'm going to be pouring that in my cooking pot as well, and I'm going to stir fry together. So next I'm adding my ginger. I love ginger so much. I have to put the ginger in my dishes, and I'm adding garlic as well to this meal, and I'm going to mix together. I'm also adding my vegetables. This is a vegetable soup, so you should expect to put as much vegetables as you like or as you want. You can use any type of vegetables. You can add any type of vegetables in this meal. Some people use potatoes as well. Because I'm doing a low carb diet, I'm not going to be using potatoes in this vegetable soup, so you can just add that. This is Cameroon pepper. I'm putting some spice in my soup because I'm a Nigerian girl. Obviously I love my food to be spicy, not too spicy though, but you can add, you know, at what level of spice that you want in your food. You can add that into your cooking. Is up to you, or you can not even add spice. It's up to you what you do with your food. So here it is. I'm stir frying together, and I'm going to add vegetable cube. I'm just going to add that into my soup as well. This vegetable cube, you can get it from anywhere. It's very nice. Yeah, I'm stir frying all the vegetables together, and that's it. I'm going to add warm water. Make sure you add in warm water because I don't want the vegetable to be soggy. I don't want it to be like very soft. I want it to be crispy and tender. So make sure you add in lukewarm water. Here I'm adding my sweet corn. I love sweet corn because it gives it that sweetness taste. It gives it like some kind of sweet taste, like you're adding like a sweet sauce to your soup. So that is what the sweet corn does. I'm adding salt to taste. Here I'm pouring my prawns in the vegetable soup. I've poured the prawns in the vegetable soup. Guys, this is a vegetable prawn soup, and trust me, it's make it as delicious as you want. When you're trying to lose weight, you need to change your eating behaviors. I need to learn to cook healthy meals. So this is a very healthy meal that you can eat and not even regret. and not even think you're going to add anything, like use it to maintain your weight. This is a vegetable soup, like I said, so I'm adding more bell peppers into the soup. This bell pepper is going to give it taste and color. So I covered for all my vegetables to cook together a little bit, and next I'm going to add snail. I'm adding snail this time around into this prawn vegetable soup because I only just got back from Nigeria, so I got some snail. I brought some snail with me, and yes, I just want to try that, and I want to have like a different taste. I want to have like a distinct snailish taste in the soup, so that is why I'm adding snail this time around. So snail is also good, it's high in protein, you cannot go wrong with snail. I'm gonna boil all this together, and yes, your vegetable prawn soup is ready. And I'm just quickly gonna add kale. Kale is like another type of spinach. I'm doing that to put color into this soup, to bring it to life. You know, just make your soup as colorful and as delicious as you can get. As in, so because when you're eating, you don't even remember you're having like a low calorie food. You're not even gonna think or believe you're on diet, because this food is as delicious like as you're ordering takeaway. Just make it as nice as you can, make it very rich. So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you try this method at home. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.